Yes, beta, this video is for grade 8th and we will continue the topic called non-finite. The infinitive we were doing, this is the second video for that. Let's continue. Here we are going to discuss about that the structure for infinitive is 2 plus verb first form. But infinitive without 2 is also used, and it is used where? With the verbs called bid, let, make, notice, hear, see, feel, watch, have. With these 9 verbs you will find the bare infinitive. Bare infinitive is that infinitive which is used without 2. Like I made him sit down. Here made is there, which is the second form of make. So here it is sit. It is not like this, I made him to sit down. So it will be wrong. Okay. These verbs, like these 9 verbs, when these verbs except let are used in passive voice, the infinitive take 2 before them. कि अगर यही verbs अगर passive forms में use हो, वो अपने साथ 2 को लेंगी, ठीक है? Except the verb let, like he was made to sit down. Here it is, the verb is in passive form, so here we have used to sit. Okay. हम बेयर इन्फिनेटिव मीन्स इन्फिनेटिव को हम 2 के अलावा 2 विदाउट 2 हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? आफ्टर द ऑक्सिलरीज, आफ्टर द मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज लाइक नीड एंड डेयर. ही नीड नॉट कम, ही नीड नॉट कम, सो इट इज इन्फिनेटिव, बेयर इन्फिनेटिव. Here it talks about that when need and dare are used as a main verb, they form negatives and questions with do and take 2 before the infinitives. कि अगर हम नीड और डेयर को मेन वर्ब की तरह यूज कर रहे हैं, वो नेगेटिव भी बनाता है और क्वेश्चंस भी बनाता है, ठीक है, और वो अपने साथ 2 लेगा. जैसे कि हियर इट इज मेकिंग अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट, ही डज नॉट नीड टू कम, इट इज अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज टेकिंग 2. Here it is making a question form. Does he dare to do it? That's why it is taking to do. Okay. After the modal auxiliaries, जितनी भी modal auxiliaries हैं उनके बाद भी आपको bare infinitive मिलेगा. Means shall, will, can, may, should, would, could, may, sorry, might, must. After these modal auxiliaries, you will find a bare infinitive. Like you can go now. Here go. It is not you can to go now. Right, it is you can go now because can is a modal auxiliary. So ought आपको पता है ऐसा modal auxiliary के पास हमेशा ही to आता है, like he ought to finish it today. और auxiliaries means helping verbs. Do, does और did के बाद भी आपको bare infinitive मिलेगा, like she does not study regularly. और the words like had better, had rather, would rather के बाद भी आपको bare infinitive मिलेगा. जैसे कि you had better, because you have had better, that's why not to stay, but it's simply you had better stay at home. After आपको bare infinitive और कहाँ मिलेगा? After, but, except and then. Okay, like she did nothing but sleep the whole day. She did nothing but sleep the whole day. She did nothing. But after but you will find infinitive over here like this. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now our next topic is the infinitive has 2 main forms. What are the 2 main forms of infinitive? The first form is the present or indefinite form, like 2 plus verbs first form, like to reach, to come, to see, to play. These kind of verb shows whether the action denoted by the infinitive was fulfilled or not. Right? He expected to reach early. कि ये ऐसी verbs हैं, जैसे ये action जो infinitive हमें show करता है, वो हमें ये denote करता है कि action fulfill हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? He expected to reach early. The second form is the perfect infinitive. Its structure is have plus past participle. Past participle means verbs third form. So like to have come, to have seen, to have played, like this. So this form mainly used to express an unfulfilled plan, wish, hope, obligation and unnecessary past action. ठीक है बेटे? देखिए जैसे see the example down. The meeting was to have taken place today. The meeting was, it did not take place. Okay, so to have taken place, the structure is, this condition is fulfilling over here, so it is a perfect infinitive. To have plus verb की third form. To is not a necessary part, that's why it is using over here have plus verbs third form. Right, now we are going to discuss about some important infinitive constructions like to and enough with infinitive. Right, to इंडिकेट्स एक्सेस, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है कोई चीज़, ये कुछ नेगेटिव होता है, जैसे कि दिस सूप इज़ टू हॉट टू ड्रिंक या टू ड्रिंक, ओके, ये बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है मेरे लिए इसको पीना, टू ड्रिंक. सो इनफ इंडिकेट सफिशिएंसी, मीन्स पर्याप्त, सफिशिएंट. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ बिट पॉजिटिव, जैसे कि ही इज टॉल इनफ टू टच द सीलिंग. टू टच इज इन्फिनेटिव ओवर हियर विद इनफ, राइट. Then next our topic is infinitive is used to express purpose while combining the simple sentences. Like if we have to combine the simple sentences and then we use infinitive which state the purpose. Like he sent me to Germany, he wanted me to learn German, right? Now if we have to combine these two simple sentences using the infinitive, it will express its purpose. Like he sent me to Germany to learn German, right? So next is to replace a clause by an infinitive while converting complex sentences into simple. Means अगर हमने दो सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं जो कि कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं और दे आर जॉइंड विद द क्लॉज, ठीक है, तो हम उनको सिंपल करने के लिए इन्फिनेटिव यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि आई वॉज सॉरी व्हेन आई हर्ड ऑफ योर फेलियर. आई वॉज सॉरी is clause, when I heard of your failure is another clause, right? So now change this clause, replace this clause by an infinitive. I was sorry to hear of your failure. So to hear is the infinitive. I hope you have understood the topic, bete. Thank you.